Okay, so I purchased a Vantrue on Dash S1 Dashcam, and it worked well for about a year or so. What was pretty cool with this, I think I paid about $150 or so for it. It's on Amazon right now for $178 with a $50 coupon, and I purchased it originally in March 16, 2020. It has an 18-month warranty. Now, what was interesting about this one is that it has a supercapacitor in it that stores the settings, and I believe it is this unit here. Oh, by the way, I took this out with 4 screws over here and 1 screw in the back right there, right here. All right, so I decided it's out of warranty. It keeps resetting, so it keeps prompting for the time. Now this vehicle is parked sometime for weeks at a time. It was on a Sienna minivan, and I don't use it very often. But I read a lot of reviews on Amazon's website about the supercapacitor goes bad anyhow. Now, what was interesting with the supercapacitor is if the vehicle is parked in the heat, I'm in Florida and it sits in the heat a lot. If it has a battery, it kills the lithium battery after a period of time. So I thought, okay, supercapacitor, this would be pretty decent. So I believe this is the capacitor here. This is the camera, and there's a ribbon cable that goes to the board. And I don't know. Some people just replace the unit. I may try replacing the capacitor because, like I said, it's out of warranty. So I don't know if I could get something similar. I'll have to check. If not, it just has to go to recycle. There isn't much else I could do with this unit. So I'm just going to try to see if I could change out the capacitor. So I opened up the casing, which was here, with a box knife. And it's 2 capacitors put together. The brand is Star Cap, and it's 2.7 volts. I think it's 7 microfarad. Operates up to 65 degrees Celsius. So it's 2 of them, and they bonded it together. Easier with 1 hand, with 2 hands. All right, here we go. So they just seem to have soldered it to a small board with a positive and minus, negative. And that's all they did. So I'm going to see if I could get a replacement for this, or at least maybe 1 capacitor instead of 2 of them. And it has to fit inside this space here. So keep that in mind. If you're buying a unit like this and it says it has a supercapacitor, that may not be the best thing because it may not keep the charge long enough. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching.